Here is a compilation of PLC manufacturers and the software used for programming their PLCs. 1. Siemens. Software. Cymatic Step 7, TIA Portal, Cymatic S7, PLCM, Cymatic WinCC. 2. Allen-Bradley, Rockwell Automation. Software. Rockwell Software Studio 5000, RSLogix 5000, RSLogix 500, FactoryTalk View Studio. 3. Schneider Electric. Software. EcoStruxure Control Expert, formerly known as Unity Pro, SoMachine. 4. Mitsubishi Electric. Software. GX Works 3, GX Works 2, IQ Works. 5. ABB. Software. AC500 PLC Programming Software, Automation Builder. 6. Omron. Software. CX1, Sysmax Studio. 7. Beckhoff. Software. Twin C80. 8. GE General Electric. Software. GE Prophecy Machine Edition. 9. Bosch Rixroth. Software. IndraWorks Engineering. 10. Delta Electronics. Software. ISP Soft. 11. Fatic Automation. Software. WinProLadder. 12. Panasonic. Software. FPWIN Pro. 13. Hitachi. Software. ADL. 14. Fuji Electric. Software. MicroxSX Programmer. 15. Eaton. Software. Galileo. These are just some of the major PLC manufacturers and their corresponding software for programming the PLC. Each manufacturer may offer additional software tools or suites tailored to specific PLC models and applications. It's essential to check the manufacturer's website or contact them directly for the most up-to-date information on their PLC. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA